So I get one of the fufu wrap. Just open. If you like, you can as well add it here. Oh, at the side, and then you go and enjoy. Hi guys, are you new in Europe and you are looking how you can eat your fufu? You do like fufu and you don't know how you can get it. So I'll be showing you how you are going to get it. Here is wheat and here is potato puri. So let me show you how you're going to do it and you're going to get your taste. What you're going to do, don't worry, I got you there. So this is the pot. What you're going to do is to add your water. I am using the hot water. I just boil this water now. Allow it to get hot. Allow it to get hot well. Then I will show you the way to do it. So another thing you need is a spatula. You need to have a good spatula that can turn very well for you. And there is my wheat already. I'll go ahead to open my wheat. You can choose to pour it in your plate, but because of the purpose of this video, I don't want to pour it. Let me show you that this is what I'm doing is what is here. Many people ask me where I work. I see fufu. What do you use to do this fufu? So let me show them. Mostly people that are living in Europe here. Look at this. In Dutch, they wrote Hartweizen grease. So we call it grease. And Dutch people here, German people use this thing to do another food which they call knödel. So this knödel, they can use it to eat meat and other things. So here today I'm going to be showing you how you can use it to do African food. So if you are a lover of fufu, African food, I got your back. Let's get started. And here I have also puri, that is potato puri, but they call this Kartoffeln puri. So what I'm going to do is how many, like 3 or 4 here. So just get one out of it. You see how the pack used to be. Yeah, bring it out. Use your scissors. Open it. As our water is now getting hot, it is already hot. Let me show you. I keep this here out. I go on and begin to add the wheat gradually. Yes, gradually turning it. Gradually turning it. Turn. So as I finish adding this, just add. If you are eating alone, don't add all of them. So I will go ahead now to add the puri, the potato puri. I added all of them. If you are eating alone, you can make half of this pack. The half of wheat and the half of puri for someone who is eating alone. Depends on how you eat. So you can see how it is now. I'll make sure I turn it to rhyme before I can add water so that it will not get lumps. Okay, and again you can as well go on and reduce your heat you used to cook. Yeah, so you can see that the fufu is getting rhymed. So what I will do now, I still have some water here on my kettle. I will add some hot water and I will allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes to cook very well. And what we are going to do now, reduce the heat. I will reduce the heat of how I cook it and I will cover it to cook. And I will get to you in some minutes now and I will show you. So now after 3 minutes, I will come and begin to continue to turn it. It's easy. It's easy to be done, and just make sure you bring it to your taste. If you're the type that like something that is a little bit hard, you make it to be in your taste. If you want it to be a little bit soft, you can go ahead to add more water. So let me know in the comment section if you like, if you're the type that like hard one or you like the soft one. Me, I will add more water because I don't like my fufu to be too hard or to be too soft. I just want it to be moderate. So I add more water and continue to turn. So I don't want this video to be too long. I will go ahead to turn it very properly, and I will show you the outcome very soon. You can see it's even coming. Let me just leave the camera for you to see how I turn it so that you can get the know the way you can turn yours. Make sure you turn it very well. So this is how you can make fufu, African food in Europe. If you are a fufu lover, that is for you. So I will show you how you are going to enjoy it. Don't go away. Don't forget to share this video to benefit many people, mostly the people who came newly in Europe who like eating fufu. And share this video also to other people who do ask, how do you make fufu? What do you use to make fufu? So this is another type you can make fufu. There are many ways you can make fufu. You can use plantain, you can use yam, you can use cassava, you can use vegetables. So check on my channel there. You have a lot of fufus I made with different things. And don't forget to give me a comment. And let's continue, guys. So now we're going to be wrapping it. Just take it. If many people are eating, just wrap it small where they can finish it. So somebody can eat this and it is done. I have to cover it very properly. You see this? So I will be using okra soup to enjoy it. So check the way I prepare this okra on my channel. So I get one of the fufu wrap. Just open. If you like, you can as well add it here. Oh, at the side, and then you go and enjoy. Sweet. Hope you enjoy watching. Bye.